For new videos, click on subscribe. Also click on bell button for notifications. So my dears, today we are living in a virtual world. So possibilities are always there of cyber attacks and different hacking processes, especially related to our money or bank account. Now the question arises how we can save ourselves or save our money from such type of illegal activities. So I am going to explain one by one the different measures which we can adopt to save ourselves. So let's start. So if you have online transaction facility or net banking on your account, always prefer to use website address of your bank in a browser address bar instead of using the different search engines. Second, always use very strong password, or you can use the facilities like password manager. This password manager always suggests you the different strong passwords you can adopt for processing your account. While you are performing transaction specially related to your money or account related activities, don't use third party platform. For example, many time it happens that because of internet connection, your website related to your bank is not working properly, and suddenly you get a window which suggests you to use the third party tool. So don't accept that suggestions. So always prefer your bank related website only. For such type of transactions, always use your own mobile or laptop instead of using your friend device. And always keep in mind, while you complete your work, always log out. Be careful about the SIM card of your mobile phone or hard disk of your laptop or computer, especially while you have given your device to the repair center. And one another important things related to the issue of your account is always enable two-factor authentication, and everybody know related to the two-factor authentication or two-layer authentication related to your account. It give you more security. If you are using app for transactions, make it always password protected. I am talking about the app related to your accounts. Sometime instead of using the web address, the app related to a bank, it must be password protected. Always use the encrypt facilities related to the files which deals with the transactions of your money. So such type of the file, such type of data must be encrypted. Don't use guess passwords or pin. For example, password related to your date of birth, related to your the registration number of your vehicle, car or bike, etc. Don't share sensitive informations, means any information related to your money or account on any call of unknown persons, because bank never ask from you anything related to your PIN number or password. Don't give unknown email reply. So let's know about the another measure. Use credit freeze. It is a tool that restricts access to your credit reports. Another one is set a alert on your account on all transactions. You must deal with this alert facility. This is the facilities whatever any type of the transactions you perform, it always give you the alert. So such type of alerts help you when some unauthorized transaction happen in your account. So these alerts increase your security. So let's know about the another important measure. It is, so normally if you are using different money related transaction with a less money or low limit, then it is recommended to you that you must lower your limit on debit cards. It may be very helpful if somebody perform clone of your card or deal with the illegal transaction. So lower your limit on debit card if you are performing less money transaction. So another step which I am going to speak is very important. So listen it carefully. Debit cards may be able to used for point of sale transaction without a pin. So if you use ATM only for ATM transaction, you can restrict other transactions. While you are dealing with a transaction especially related to your bank, don't use remembered password feature, which is almost available on all accounts, even on your computer or even on your mobile. Next, report spam and suspicious content immediately to the authority of your bank if you are finding some suspicious activities inside your account. So last and most important is always update your antivirus periodically. So it not only scan your whole activities but also make your device virus free. So hope you understand a lot of things related to the saving of your account from hackers or cyber attacks. So again I am going to update different type of knowledge oriented videos. So subscribe the channel fast. Thanks.